So first, this is the isotonicity problems. In this, the first model is what is the freezing point lowering of sodium benzoate whose L-iso value is 3.4 and molar concentration is 2. So we have to calculate here the freezing point lowering. So here 1% of sodium benzoate has the L-iso value is 3.4 and molar concentration is 2. So freezing point lowering is equal to L-iso into concentration. 3.4 into 2 is equal to 6.8 degrees centigrades. Next, this is the cryoscopic method. So how much concentration of sodium chloride required for 100 ml of 1% morphine morphine hydrochloride to make isotonic? So morphine hydrochloride has the freezing point lowering of 0.18 degrees. So here the solution is, according to the cryoscopic method, the delta TF, that is freezing point lowering of 1% sodium chloride is 0.58 and freezing point lowering of 0.9% sodium chloride is 0.52. 0.9% of sodium chloride is nothing but isotonic solution. So here the 1% 100 ml of morphine hydrochloride already contributed 0.18 degrees centigrades. So we require 0.2 degrees for the isotonicity. So already it contributed 0.18. So 0.52 minus 0.18 is equal to 0.34. 1% of sodium chloride contributes to 0.58 degrees. X percentage of sodium chloride contributes to 0.34. So X is equal to 0.34 by 0.58. You will write the answer. Next one is sodium chloride equivalent method. Calculate the equivalent value for a new morphine hydrochloride derivative whose molecular weight is 202. So according to the sodium chloride equivalent method, E is equal to 17 into L-iso value of morphine hydrochloride by molecular weight of morphine hydrochloride. So L-iso value of morphine hydrochloride is 4.3 and molecular weight is 202, that is equal to 0.36 grams. Next one is, if we substitute or if we use sodium dextrose in the place of sodium chloride, how to solve it? A solution contains 1 gram of morphine sulfate in 100 ml of water. What quantity of sodium chloride must be added to make isotonic? 1 gram of morphine hydrochloride is equal to 0.46 grams of sodium chloride. Now 0.9 grams of sodium chloride is required to make isotonic, right? To make isotonic, 0.9 grams of sodium chloride is required. Already this 1 gram of morphine sulfate contributed to 0.46 grams of sodium chloride. So 0.9 minus 0.46 we have to do. So we will be getting the answer as 0.44 grams. Now 0.44 grams of sodium chloride is should be added to 1% of morphine sulfate to make isotonic. Now the second version is, if I add dextrose in the place of sodium chloride, how much quantity of dextrose should be added? 1 gram of dextrose is equal to 0.16 grams of sodium chloride. Now we have to add 0.44 grams of sodium chloride, right? So 0.44 grams of sodium chloride is equal to how much quantity of dextrose? That is 2.75 grams of dextrose. Next, make 20 ml of 1% of procaine hydrochloride isotonic with body fluids whose equivalent weight is 0.21 grams. 1% of procaine hydrochloride is nothing but 1 gram in 100 ml. 20 ml consisting of how many grams? 1 gram in 100 ml, 20 ml is equal to 0.2 grams. So the weight required is 0.2 into sodium chloride equivalent of procaine hydrochloride is 0.21. So 0.2 into 0.21 is equal to 0.42 grams. So volume required. So in this problem what we have to do is, we should add the water to make isotonic. So how much quantity of water should be added to make isotonic? So 0.2 into 0.24 into 111.1, that is equal to 4.66 ml should be added to this solution to make isotonic.